The Jamaica Football Federation can benefit from adopting the successful formula used by track and field to become a consistent force in world football. As Christopher Scott reports, that's the sentiment of Interim General Secretary of the JFF, Roy Simpson.
Jamaica's track and field program has consistently finished in the top 5 of the medal standings in global events since the 2008 Olympics in Beijing. And Interim JFF General Secretary Roy Simpson believes their approach of tapping into the local talent pool of coaching and athletes is the major driving force behind that.
Look at track and field. Jamaica believed in Jamaica. We trusted our coaches. We trusted our athletes. We trusted the systems, and the world now studies us. We have developed the greatest athletes for both genders in track and field. That is what happens when a nation believes in itself. Football must adopt that philosophy, because no foreigner understands our humor, our struggle, our rhythm, our pain, our brilliance, our defiance more than we do.
Speaking at the Business House of Football Awards, Simpson floated the idea of returning to using a similar approach for the Reggae Boys like they did in the 1998 campaign for World Cup in France.
There are lessons we abandoned that we must reclaim. We once trusted our strong local for our players. We once involved communities in the mission. Sponsors once joined us because they believed in the vision, not because you begged them for sponsorship. Every stakeholder had a seat at the table. Our greatest strength was never imported. Our greatest strength has always been our people.
He did not mince words as to why the campaign was not smooth.
But if we are honest, and tonight we must be honest, we drifted away from the people who give football its meaning. We ran a campaign where the people were not fully included. Some individuals around the movement placed personal priorities ahead of the nation's interests. Others began to believe that they alone were the savior of Jamaican football. And when the people are not engaged, football loses its oxygen.
The former long-serving manager of Jamaica's senior men's football team could not hide his disappointment of the Reggae Boys missing out on automatic qualification to next year's World Cup, which is being jointly staged by the United States, Mexico, and Canada.
But football, like life, does not always give us the ending we dream of. And sometimes the things that break us open are the things that make us stronger. We did not get the result we wanted, but Jamaica is not a country that surrenders. Jamaica is a country that fights, rises, and believes again. Come March, trust me, we will rise, because Jamaica football is not just a match. In Jamaica, football is not just a match. It is not just a scoreboard. It's not just 90 minutes. Football in Jamaica is spirit, is pulse, breath, and cry. It is identity, memory, and hope tightly woven into one. It is the beating heart of our people.